When I began my natural hair journey, I tried everything, searching for the perfect routine to keep my hair deeply moisturized, soft and manageable, and growing extremely quickly. After years, I finally cracked the code to the perfect routines that work for my hair, and my hair simply did not stop growing. In fact, after some time of sticking to my routine, I even discovered that the recipes and techniques I was using were working so well that I and my best friend who was doing my routines with me grew 1 inch plus of hair in a month. I was stunned and could not believe myself. Now, because we love for things to be accessible, we've already published multiple videos on this channel about how we approach our natural hair to promote extreme 4C hair growth, including some of our recipes that took our hair from this to this. But if you want a step-by-step, daily, weekly, and monthly calendar on the natural hair routines, recipes, and techniques we use to unlock 1.5 inches of growth per month, head to justforblackgirls.com/shop and shop our Growth Training 101 Hair Growth Guide. So many lovelies who have purchased the guide and begun implementing the routine are seeing so much improvement in their hair and crying literal tears of joy at how much their hair has taken off since implementing the recipes in our guide. And guess what? It doesn't stop there. We recently added a bonus section to the guide of even more recipes and routines that have helped our clients who struggle with hormonal hair loss regrow their hair. So if you didn't get a chance to book a one-on-one consultation with us, the bonus section to the guide is pretty much the equivalent. Lastly, because we love you, lovelies, we are putting the guide on a super sale for a limited time only. This is one of the largest sales to date, so make sure you head to justforblackgirls.com/shop and get it now while the getting is good. I did the work, so you don't have to. We're still at the very beginning of 2025. Who knows how much hair you will grow by the end of the year by using our exclusive routines. Customers who purchase are seeing results they didn't even know was possible for them. So if you want to join those lovelies seeing huge transformations in their natural hair health and growth, head to justforblackgirls.com/shop and shop our Growth Training 101 guide now while we are doing our super sale. Don't say we didn't tell you, because when it goes back to regular price, some of you act like we didn't tell you to get it at its most affordable. Lovelies are literally hitting waist-length hair. Their hair is returning to the same thickness and length they remember having when they were younger, or achieving longer and thicker hair entirely. They are seeing reduced shedding and breakage. Their hair is softer and more manageable, and they finally have a routine they can keep up with and that doesn't break the bank. I mean, they've literally received all the answers they've been looking for in their natural hair journey all in one book. It's a deal you simply can't deny. This book is everything I wish someone told me when I first started my natural hair journey years ago. It would have saved me so much time, money, and energy trying to figure out what works. But even if I could go back and have these answers then, I wouldn't, because of all the time, trials and errors, and money I spent looking for these answers now allows me to help another black girl have an easier time with her hair. It's all worth it. So if you're ready to finally achieve your hair goals, head to justforblackgirls.com/shop and shop the Growth Training 101 guide. Okay, lovelies, we love you, and we'll catch you all in the next one. Bye.